Nostalgia is blowing up on social media right now. If you look at this account, they are pulling 16.2 million views and 11.5 million views on individual posts. Even their smaller videos are getting hundreds of thousands of views consistently. This niche works so well because it triggers a strong emotional response in the viewer by recreating specific memories from the late 90s and early 2000s. It is currently very unsaturated and incredibly easy to make because the AI handles all the heavy lifting for the visuals. To show you the proof, here is what I made in 10 minutes, all right? Now, let me tell you how to make videos like that. The first thing you need to do is generate a concept and a detailed script. Head over to ChatGPT using the link in the description. You want to use a specific prompt that tells the AI to act as a creative director for a 3D nostalgia channel. Ask it to generate concepts for vertical POV videos that feel like living memories. You can get all these prompts from my Discord. Once you have the prompt in, tell ChatGPT the specific era and setting you want to focus on, like a bedroom in 2003 after school. It will give you a breakdown of several scenes, including the key assets and the emotional hook for each one. Copy the text for the scene you like best and paste it back into the chat. Ask the AI to break that concept down into a production script for an AI video generator. It will provide a list of scenes with specific image prompts and motion prompts for each one. Make sure you have a clear description of the first frame and a separate instruction for how the camera should move. By the way, if you want to make this content for TikTok but are outside the Creator Reward Program regions, then check out the accounts I have in the description. Now that your script is ready, you need to generate the actual footage. Go to Ghostscript using the link in the description. This is a powerful AI video tool that can turn text or images into high-quality video. Click on the Kling 3.0 model option from the main dashboard. Once you are inside the Kling interface, make sure you are on the Video Generation tab. Look for the prompt box at the bottom of the screen. Go back to your ChatGPT tab and copy the first frame image prompt for your first scene. Paste that text into the Kling prompt box. Click the Generate button and wait for the AI to process the request. Once the video is finished, you can preview it to make sure the movement looks natural. If you are happy with the result, click the download icon to save the clip to your computer. Repeat this exact process for every scene in your script until you have all your footage. Before we edit, if you want to get access to the best niches before I post them, and you want one-on-one coaching from me where I literally answer every question, and my short-form content course, then join my community. It is the cheapest it will ever be right now. Now it is time to put everything together. Download CapCut using the link in the description and open a new project. Import all the video clips you just downloaded from Kling. Drag them onto the timeline in the order they appear in your script. Select the first clip and look at the adjustment settings on the right. You want to slide the atmosphere bar to the right to give the footage a slightly hazy, dreamlike look. From there, go to the Video Effects tab and search for a firefly filter. Apply the effect over your entire timeline to give the video that 2000s aesthetic. You might want to edit the controls in the top right just to lower the intensity a bit. Once everything looks and sounds right, click the export button at the top right of the screen. If you want to master this workflow and start seeing these kinds of views on your own channel, click the link in the description to join our community and get direct coaching from me.